Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. ఎలా ఉన్నారు స్టూడెంట్స్ బాగున్నారా? ఓకే, ఈరోజు నేను చెప్పే టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి క్లాస్ 9 చాప్టర్ 7 ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఎక్సైజ్ అండ్ పాయింట్ 2 క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 6. ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏబిసి ఇస్ an isosceles triangle. సో isosceles triangle అంటే any two sides are equal. In a triangle any two sides are equal. The triangle is called isosceles triangle. So here given triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. When AB is equal to AC, then angle ABC is equal to angle ACB is equal to X. So here these two sides are equal, then its opposite angles are equal. Isosceles angle property in any two triangles, any two sides are equal, then its opposite sides are equal. So here AB is equal to AC, then angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. That is, these two angles are equal. Next here, given that AB is equal to AC, then the side BA is produced to D. B అనే లైన్ ఏమవుతుంది, ప్రొడ్యూస్ ఎంతవరకు డి వరకు. సో ప్రొడ్యూస్ అయినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇక్కడ బిఏ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ ఏడి. సో గివెన్ ఏబి ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ ఏడి. సో హియర్ ఆల్రెడీ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు వాడు, ఏబి ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ ఏసి. సో ఈ రెండింటి బట్టి ఏం చెప్పొచ్చు, ఏబి ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ ఏడి, ఏబి ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ ఏసి. సో ఈ రెండింటి బట్టి ఏం చెప్పొచ్చు, ఏసి ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ ఏడి. AC is equal to AD. So when AC is equal to AC is equal to AD in a triangle ACD, angle ACD is equal to angle ADC. So angle ACD is equal to angle ADC. Okay, so ఇక్కడ ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ లో AC is equal to AD. Okay, then AD is equal to AC. ఎందుకంటే AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to AD, therefore AD is equal to AC. So in this triangle, these two angles are equal. The two angles are equal. So here we don't know that angle, it is X, it is X. So the angle is how much more? X. So in triangle BDC, sum of angles in a triangle is quadratic. So angle B plus angle D plus angle C is equal to 180. So angle B X, angle D X, angle C, that means these two angles X plus X 2X is equal to 180. So X plus X 2X, 2X plus X 4X. 4x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 45. X is equal to how much? 45. So angle BCD is equal to 2x. That is 2 into 45 is equal to how much? 90 degrees. So therefore angle BCD is a right angle. Is a right angle. Second, triangle ABC is right angle triangle in which angle A is equal to 90 degrees. Triangle ABC, right angle is at A and AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Find angle B and angle C. So in a triangle, any two sides are equal. The triangle is called isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, any two sides are equal, then its opposite angles are equal. That is, here AC ki opposite angle angle B, AB ki opposite angle angle C. So these two angles are equal. Sum of angles in a triangle is how much? 180. So that is x plus 90. So here given triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and A is equal to 90 degrees and AB is equal to AC. So then AB is equal to AC, then angle B is equal to angle C. So we know that let us take that is x. Each angle we know that let us take that is x. So sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle is how much? 180 degrees. So and B plus and C plus and A is equal to 180. So angle B is how much? X plus 90 is equal to 180. So x plus x, 2x. 2x plus 90 is equal to 180. 2x is equal to 180 minus 90. 2x is equal to 90. So x is equal to 95. So 2 1 ja 2, 45 ja. So x is equal to how much? 45. So x is nothing but what? And B is equal to angle C. So the angles B and C are equal. So each angle is how much? 45 degrees. They ask me that find angle B and angle C. So angle B is equal to how much? 45. Angle C is how much? 45. How you can prove? So in an isosceles triangle, any two sides are equal, then its opposite angles are equal. So that is here angle B is equal to angle C. These two angles we don't know the let us check, that is x, here also x. So sum of angles in a triangle is how much? 180 degrees. So, 8-1 show that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degrees each. So, equilateral triangle means what? All sides and all angles are equal. So, all sides A, B, C. Let us take A, B, C is an equilateral triangle. So, here A, B is equal to B, C is equal to A, C. So, here let us take ABC triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle, that is AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. So AB is equal to BC, then its opposite angles are equal and A is equal and C. So each angle we don't know that, let us take x. Next, BC is equal to CA, then angle A is equal to angle B. Angle A is how much? X, then angle B is also how much? X. So sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle is how much? 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. So angle A x plus x is equal to how much? 180. So 3x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 by 3. So 3 1 ja 3 60 ja. So x is equal to how much? 60 degrees. So that is angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to how much? 60 degrees. So every angle is how much? 60 degrees. So thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and share to your friends. Give the like and comment. Thank you.